Ever dreamed of growing your own fruit right in your backyard? Imagine picking fresh, juicy fruit from trees you grew from seed. Well, today, I'm going to show you how you can do that with 10 amazing fruit trees you can easily grow from seed at home. If you're new here, welcome to our community where we dive into all things gardening and home growing. Be sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on more tips like this. Not only will you save money by growing your own fruit, but it's incredibly satisfying to watch your trees grow from seed to fruition. Today, I'll guide you through 10 fruit trees that you can easily grow from seed, sharing all the tips you need for success, from seed preparation to care and maintenance. Let's dive in. First up, we have the classic apple tree, one of the best fruit trees to start with, especially if you're a beginner. Apples are not only delicious, but they're also surprisingly easy to grow from seed. Whether you want crisp, juicy apples for baking or snacking, growing your own tree from seed can be a fun and rewarding experience. To grow apple trees from seed, you'll need to start by cold stratifying the seeds. This process helps break their dormancy and gets them ready to germinate. Simply collect your seeds from a fresh apple and then chill them in the fridge for about 6 to 8 weeks. Yes, this part requires patience, but it's an essential step to ensure that your seeds sprout when you plant them. Once your seeds have gone through their chilling period, it's time to plant them. Use a pot with well-draining soil. This is really important, as apple trees don't like to sit in soggy soil. Place the pot in a sunny spot, as apple trees love the light. The hardest part? Patience. It can take anywhere from 2 to 3 years for your apple tree to start bearing fruit, but trust me, the wait will be worth it when you finally see those apples growing. Now, there are a couple of mistakes you'll want to avoid. First off, be careful not to overwater your apple tree. Too much water can lead to root rot, which is a sure way to kill your tree. Make sure your pot has good drainage, and let the soil dry out slightly between waterings. Also, make sure you don't plant your apple tree too deeply. Apple trees need their roots to breathe, so give them space to grow. If you're loving these tips and excited to start growing your own apple tree, don't forget to hit that subscribe button right now. And make sure you turn on notifications so you never miss out on more gardening tips like these. Let's keep growing together. Next up, let's talk about pear trees. Pears are a fantastic fruit to grow from seed, and they share a lot of the same growing requirements as apple trees, which makes them a great option for beginners. Not only are they delicious and versatile in recipes, but with a little patience, you'll soon be harvesting your very own juicy pears right from your backyard. Growing pears from seed is pretty similar to growing apples. Just like apples, pears require a process called cold stratification to break the dormancy of the seed. This means you'll need to chill the seeds in the fridge for around 6 to 8 weeks, mimicking the winter conditions they would naturally experience in the wild. Once that's done, it's time to plant the seeds in a pot with some well-draining soil. You want the soil to be loose and slightly acidic, perfect for encouraging those seeds to sprout. After planting, just be patient and wait for the magic to happen. Once your pear tree begins to grow, make sure it gets plenty of sunlight. Pear trees love the sun, so try to place your pot in a spot that gets at least 6 hours of sunlight a day. If you're growing your pear tree indoors, a sunny windowsill is perfect. When it comes to watering, be consistent, but don't overdo it. Pear trees don't like sitting in water, so make sure the soil drains well. Water them when the top inch of soil feels dry to the touch, and don't let the soil get too soggy. One common mistake people make is overcrowding the roots by planting too many seeds in one pot. Pear trees need space to grow, so give each seed enough room to spread out. If you crowd them, they won't develop strong, healthy roots. Also, be careful not to plant the seeds too deep. Pears need a little exposure to the air to properly sprout, so lightly cover the seeds with soil. And remember, pear trees hate being waterlogged, so make sure your pot has good drainage and never let them sit in standing water. Now let's talk about peach trees, one of my personal favorites. Peaches are known for their incredibly sweet and juicy fruit, making them an amazing choice for your garden. Plus, they're not too difficult to grow from seed once you know the right steps. Peach trees grow best from pits, which are the hard stone inside the peach fruit, rather than the seeds you'd find in other fruits. Once you've removed the pit from the fruit, you'll want to chill it for about 4 weeks in the fridge. This cold treatment helps break the dormancy of the pit, mimicking the natural winter conditions it needs to sprout. After that, you can crack open the pit and plant the seed in a pot of well-draining soil. When it comes to care, peach trees love the sun, so make sure you place them in a sunny spot where they can bask in the light. The soil should be light and airy to allow the roots to grow freely. Peaches prefer a bit of space and airflow around their roots, so good drainage is key. You don't want them sitting in water as it can lead to root rot, which can be tricky to fix. A common mistake when planting peach trees is putting the seed too deep into the soil. You only need to cover it lightly. Also, be cautious with watering. Peach trees don't like to be overwatered. Too much water can make them sick. Always make sure the soil dries out a little between waterings to keep your tree healthy. Next up is the tropical mango tree. Yes, you can actually grow mangoes at home from seed. While it may take a little more patience due to their tropical nature, growing mangoes from seed is absolutely worth it for the delicious fruit you'll eventually get. Start by taking the pit from a fresh mango, carefully cut away the flesh, and extract the seed inside. Once you've got the seed, remove the tough outer layer to reveal the softer seed inside. Plant this seed flat side down, about an inch deep, in a pot with well-draining soil. Make sure to water it lightly. Mangoes prefer a gentle, consistent watering schedule, not too much at once. Mango trees thrive in warmth, so be sure to place them in a spot where they get lots of sunlight. They really do best in tropical or subtropical climates, but don't worry if you're in a cooler area. Just keep your tree indoors during the colder months where it can get the warmth and light it craves. It's a great way to grow mangoes even if you live somewhere that doesn't have the best climate for them. One big mistake to avoid is placing your mango tree in a cold or shaded area. Mangoes are sensitive to temperature changes and really need consistent warmth to thrive. If you let them get too cold, they can stop growing or even die off. Keep them in a sunny, warm spot, and they'll do their best to grow tall and healthy. 5 is avocado tree. Avocados are more than just a food trend. They're also a fantastic fruit to grow at home, and the best part? It's incredibly easy to grow them from seed. So if you've ever enjoyed that delicious avocado toast or guacamole, why not try growing your own tree from seed and watch it flourish right at home? To start, take the pit from a ripe avocado and give it a good rinse to remove any leftover flesh. Next, you'll suspend the seed in water using toothpicks so it's partially submerged in a glass of water. This method allows the seed to sprout over time. Make sure the broad end of the seed is facing down and the pointed side is up. The sprouting process can take a few weeks, so be patient. Once the roots have grown a few inches long, it's time to transfer it to soil where it can grow into a strong and healthy tree. Avocados love warmth, so it's important to keep your young tree in a warm, sunny spot. A windowsill that gets plenty of sunlight is ideal. As the tree grows, make sure it has enough space to develop strong roots. Plant it in a large pot with well-draining soil. Water it regularly, but don't drown it. They prefer a more balanced approach to hydration. A good rule of thumb is to let the top inch of soil dry out before you water it again. One big mistake to avoid is letting the soil get too soggy. Avocado trees absolutely hate having their roots sit in water, so make sure your pot has good drainage. If the water sits around the roots, it can lead to root rot and stunt the growth of your tree. Also, don't be too hasty with replanting. Only transplant your avocado tree when it has a healthy root system and strong growth above the soil. Lemon trees. Lemon trees are an absolute treat for both beginner and seasoned gardeners. Not only do they brighten up your space, but they also produce fruit that's perfect for everything from cooking to making refreshing lemonade. They're a great choice for growing at home. And the good news is that you can easily grow them from seed. Growing a lemon tree from seed starts with using a fresh lemon. You'll want to remove the seeds from the fruit, rinse them off, and plant them directly into a pot with well-draining soil. The soil should be light and loamy to help the seeds germinate.
Plant the seeds about half an inch deep and keep them in a warm, sunny spot. Lemon seeds can sprout in about 2 to 3 weeks, so be patient and wait for those first signs of green. Lemon trees absolutely thrive in sunny environments, so make sure they're getting plenty of sunlight, ideally 8 to 12 hours a day. Place them in a bright area where they can bask in the warmth. Since lemon trees love warmth, it's best to keep them in a temperature range of about 70 to 85 degrees Fahrenheit, 21 to 29 degrees Celsius. Water them lightly but consistently. Be sure the soil dries slightly between waterings. If you're growing them indoors, a sunny windowsill is a perfect spot. Lemon trees are pretty tolerant, but overwatering is one mistake you definitely want to avoid. They prefer the soil to dry out a little between waterings, so don't let the soil stay too wet. Also, be mindful of the pot size. Lemon trees need space to grow, so make sure you're giving them a big enough pot as they mature. Lastly, avoid placing your tree in a spot that's too cold or shaded. It'll hinder their growth and possibly stop them from producing fruit. Plum trees. Plum trees are a fantastic addition to any garden, offering both beautiful blossoms and delicious, juicy fruit. If you love plums, growing them from seed can be a fun and rewarding experience. Plus, they're surprisingly easy to grow, especially if you're following the right steps.
To grow a plum tree from seed, start by removing the pit from a ripe plum and giving it a good rinse. Then you'll need to cold stratify the seed, just like with apples and pears. Place the seed in the fridge for 6 to 8 weeks to break its dormancy. Once that's done, you can plant it in a pot with well-draining soil. Make sure to give the seed just a light covering of soil. Keep the pot in a warm, sunny spot, and soon enough you'll see it start to sprout. Plum trees thrive in full sunlight, so make sure your tree gets at least 6 to 8 hours of sunlight every day. A sunny windowsill or outdoor spot will work perfectly. They also need slightly acidic soil, so it's a good idea to use a potting mix that's designed for fruit trees. Water them regularly, but avoid overwatering, as plum trees prefer their soil to dry out slightly between waterings. One common mistake is planting the seed too deep. Plum seeds should be planted just below the surface of the soil, not too deep. Also, don't overcrowd the roots. Plum trees need space to grow. Make sure your pot is large enough and has proper drainage to keep the roots healthy. Finally, avoid placing your plum tree in a shaded or cold spot. It needs warmth and plenty of sunlight to grow strong and produce fruit. 8. Pomegranate tree. Pomegranate trees are an excellent choice for growing at home, especially if you live in a warm climate. These trees are known for their stunning bright red fruit, and growing them from seed is easier than you might think. Plus, who doesn't want to harvest their own fresh pomegranates? To start growing a pomegranate tree, simply remove the seeds from a fresh pomegranate and rinse them clean. You can start by planting the seeds directly into a pot with well-draining soil, about half an inch deep. Make sure the soil stays moist but not soggy during the germination process. Pomegranate seeds can take a little longer to sprout, but don't worry, be patient and they will eventually germinate. Pomegranate trees love sunlight and warm temperatures, so make sure to place them in a bright, sunny spot. They can tolerate some heat, which makes them perfect for warmer climates, but they'll still thrive indoors if given plenty of light. Make sure the soil drains well, as pomegranate trees don't like sitting in wet soil. Water them regularly, but make sure the soil dries out slightly between waterings. One mistake to watch out for is overwatering. Pomegranate trees don't like their roots sitting in water, so make sure the pot drains well. Also, be careful not to plant the seeds too deep. Pomegranate seeds only need to be lightly covered with soil. And finally, avoid placing your tree in a cold or shaded spot. It needs plenty of sunlight and warmth to thrive. Now let's talk about cherry trees. Cherries are such a treat, and growing them from seed is not only doable, but it's also a fantastic way to enjoy fresh fruit straight from your backyard. These trees are a bit more of a challenge, but with the right care, you'll soon have your own little cherry orchard.
To start growing a cherry tree, you'll first need to remove the seed from a fresh cherry. Rinse it clean and then place the seed in the fridge for cold stratification, just like with apples and pears. Keep it in the fridge for 4 to 6 weeks to simulate the natural winter conditions. After that, you can plant the seed in a pot with well-draining soil, about 1 inch deep. Keep the pot in a warm spot, and in a few weeks, you'll start seeing the seed sprout. Cherry trees need full sunlight to thrive, so place them in a bright spot where they'll get 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight a day. They prefer slightly acidic soil, so make sure you're using a good quality potting mix designed for fruit trees. Water the tree consistently, but don't overdo it. Let the soil dry out a little between waterings, as cherries don't like soggy roots. A common mistake when growing cherry trees is planting the seed too deep. Cherry seeds only need to be lightly covered with soil. Also, be careful not to overcrowd the roots. If you're growing multiple cherry trees in the same pot, make sure each tree has plenty of space to spread its roots. Lastly, avoid placing your tree in a cold or shaded location. It needs warmth and sunlight to thrive and produce those sweet, juicy cherries. Number 10. Fig tree. Lastly, we have the fig tree, an incredible fruit that's perfect for growing at home. Fig trees are relatively easy to grow from seed, and they produce some of the sweetest, most delicious fruit. They're a great option if you're looking for something a little different in your backyard garden. Growing a fig tree from seed is pretty straightforward. Start by harvesting the seeds from a ripe fig and rinsing them clean. Then, plant the seeds in a pot with well-draining soil. You'll want to plant them about ½ inch deep. Keep the pot in a warm, sunny spot and water the soil regularly. Fig seeds may take a little while to germinate, so give them some time. Once they sprout, it's time to nurture them with care.
Fig trees absolutely love the warmth, so make sure to keep them in a sunny location, preferably outdoors if you live in a warm climate. They do well in full sunlight and thrive in temperatures between 75 and 85 degrees Fahrenheit, 24 to 29 degrees Celsius. Keep the soil light and well-draining to prevent the roots from getting soggy, as fig trees don't like sitting in water. Water them regularly, but make sure the soil dries slightly between waterings. One thing to avoid is overwatering. Fig trees prefer slightly dry soil, so let the top inch dry out between waterings. Also, don't plant them too deep. Fig seeds only need to be lightly covered, and keeping them too deep can hinder sprouting. Lastly, be sure to give them enough space to grow. They can become quite large, so make sure your pot or planting area is spacious enough for the tree to spread its roots. So there you have it, 10 amazing fruit trees that you can easily grow from seed at home. From the humble apple tree to the tropical mango, you now have all the tools and tips you need to start your own backyard fruit garden. Whether you're just starting out in gardening or you've been doing it for a while, growing fruit trees from seed is a fun and rewarding challenge. It might take a little patience, but trust me, when you see that first fruit hanging from your tree, you'll feel an immense sense of pride and accomplishment. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. I'd love to hear which fruit tree you're going to grow first, so drop your thoughts in the comments below. And of course, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss another gardening tip. We've got plenty more content coming your way. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your gardening journey. If you have any questions or need more tips, feel free to leave them in the comments. Happy planting, and I'll see you in the next video.